Hey guys, it's Lauren from eRepairables.com. We have a 2018 Chrysler 300 here. We're going to show you how to bypass the electric shifter and get this thing moving in neutral with your battery's dead. Hi guys, now that we're inside the vehicle, we can see we don't have any power. We got a dead battery, so in order to move it, we're going to have to pop out this little tray here and use this pulley to put it into neutral. Once you let go, it's gonna go back into park because of the electric shifter. So we're gonna have to take this and either hold it while we're moving the vehicle or wedge it in between here with a little screwdriver. And then once you're done, you can release it, put your tray back in, and you'll be all set. Okay, now all we have to do is pull our little lever here. We can either hold it or wedge it in this little spot, and we're good to go. All right, guys, you can start pushing. There you go. You're all set.